Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mable. So in today's video guys, I'm making potato salad. I've got potatoes which have been pre-cooked. Just adding my potato to the bowl. So there is my potato, mayonnaise, and then for garnishing, guys. So I'm just going to mix everything together, and then I could enjoy my salad. I'm back, guys. I'm back, guys. Okay, so there's my mixture, guys. And my mayonnaise. So guys, if you're watching my video for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, give the video a like, and share it with friends and family. Okay guys, so my salad is ready. Let me show you. That's my salad, guys. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye.